Good morning, ma'am. My name is Anvesha. I am pursuing my BTech in Mechanical Engineering. I am a student of 2K20. Today I am presenting my views on solid waste management. Environmental condition is highly depend on how you deal with your waste management and how the way you deal with your waste. Waste management is prevention, generation, monetization, handling, treatment, residual, deposition, characterization, and the reuse of solid waste. To know more about waste management and creating a better environment, presenting in this section. It is vital to understand how to conduct waste disposal in the relay of today by which population is rising and thus is quick installation waste material created are well like proper getting rid of waste help in maintaining your atmosphere free from pathogen and create illness maintaining friendly. There are various types of solid waste. For example, farming, municipal, commercial, residual, installation, special waste slug, hazardous waste, and household healthcare. Usually, the words pertains to individual materials which are created by human activity. Besides, the operation is generally carried out to be able to decrease their impact on the environment, appearance, or health. How to manage solid waste? There are four techniques to manage your solid waste: recycling, composing, landfills, burning of waste material. How it works: reuse, reduce, and recycle. Recycling. Global warming has become one of the greatest concern of today. To protect the environment, recycle waste is must. The recycling business has become a much profitable venture at present. There are many kind of waste and the recycling business idea depends upon industrial. Recycling is the process to converting waste material into new material. As you can see, your garbage or your polythenes are converted into that beautiful bags. Composing. Composting is a natural process of recycling organic matter such as leaves and food scraps into a valuable fertilizer that can enrich the soil and plants. Composting is a mixture of ingredients used to fertilize, improve the soil. It is commonly prepared by decomposing plant food and prepared by waste and recycling organic materials. The resulting mixture is rich in plant nutrition and beneficial organisms such as worms, fungus. Now, segregation of color code. Our environment consists of three types of waste: organic waste, e-waste, and dry waste. Organic waste, leftover food, and the segregation of color coded divided into three gives them three colors. For organic waste, they give green color. For e-waste, they give black, and for dry waste, gives blue. Organic waste consists of leftover food, vegetable food cutting, eggshell, chicken, fish bone, root and fruit vegetables, used tea powder, used coffee powder, tissue proper heavy soiled with food. E-waste consists computer, electronic appliances, lighting device, electronic tools and toys, monitoring device, fax machine. Dry waste consists aluminum foil, Tetra packs, glass, paper, plastic, metals, bottles, and cans. Now, why we need to manage the solid waste? Proper solid waste collection is important for protection of public health, safety, and environment quantity. It is a labor-intensive activity occurring for approximately three quarters of the total cost of solid waste management. Who suffered most? Thousands of seabirds and the sea turtles and the other marine mammals are killed each year after ingesting plastic or getting implanted in it. Like you can see that seahorse, turtle, and that bird. Who suffer most? Marine wildlife such as seabird, whales, turtles intake plastic and waste for prey. Most of die and starvation as their stomach become filled with plastic. They all are immense so merciful. Help. That cow eating plastic. Cow that eat plastic eventually stop eating their regular food. Plastic affect their internal organs and get collected inside their body. Its digestion capacity went down. Some facts. Climate change, animal extinction. Who carries we only live once? There is enough plastic waste on the earth to create another Pluto-sized planet. At least 85% of single-use of plastic items don't get recycled, even if they have triangular symptom. Actually, the problem is different kind of plastic are dif- difficult to separate from each other and from the other material. That is why most of the plastic ends being used by energy recovery. The empty plastic is burning for energy conservational power plant, for example, steel or cement industry. So, it is good to integrate the solid waste management like landfills, waste segregation, recycle, composing, spaces waste in transfer to recycle that 85% of waste. Now, advantage of recycling waste material are reduce pollution, environmental friendly, global warming, land sites, conserving natural resources, environment, energy consumption. Recycle reduce the energy consumption because it does not involve the process of getting new raw material, mining and refining. Manufacturing do not have look for new material as they can use the old ones to create new. That's great. And now I'm completing my views on solid waste management. Thank you for giving me your precious time. Thank you so much.